Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech. In this video, I am going to do the unboxing of this activity tracker by Skytech Creations. So, with that being said, let's get started. So, this is the box in which it comes. As you can see, Skytech Creations and some other thing. And in case you are wondering, this seems familiar if you are following my channel. Yeah, this is the same. With this access to the step tracker, here's the unboxing and review of the step tracker itself, and this is similar to that, and this is an activity tracker. And in the back it just gives us like it counts steps, calories, inactivity reminder, distance tracking, and IP60 and water resistance. Because it doesn't have any ports, like it has directly like a USB port, type A port to connect and charge with it. Here are the specifications: 0.66 inch and touch display, battery life 5 days, and some other stuff. You can pause and read if you want. Now let's jump into the unboxing of the same. So on opening the box, you get the watch itself. Let's just keep it aside and look at the other contents in the box. Other than that, you get this user manual which is in English, and it gives you some specifications. So some of them are also on the board, and like how to remove it and charging it. So as you can see, there's 4 things: clock, steps, distance, and calories. You have the app for both Play Store and iOS Store, and it gives us like how to link it in the app and the other stuff. You can pause and read if you want. So yeah, this is what comes in the box, and now let's take a look at the activity tracker itself. So this is the activity tracker. It has the national step star, and the strap is of good quality. And yeah, so in case you want to charge it, you have to remove it like this, and yeah, it reveals the USB pin for charging the activity tracker itself. So this was the unboxing and initial impressions of this activity tracker by Skytech Creations. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll appreciate if you press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. After you subscribe, make sure to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So that's it. Thanks all for watching. Till next time, this is Harshit, and hope to see you in my next video.